Hello. Today I'm going to look at some things from BigRedEDC. It is a 7-day giveaway. Go check them out. Check out Saturday Night Live or Night Live. Watch his videos. Give him a thumbs up. See what I did there? Very cool. Got the KFS tattoo. Do something kind for someone. Let's see what we got. He had a 7-day giveaway. He's fortunate enough to win. We got our Rough Rider high carbon steel. Hopefully the dryer's not too loud. I'm drying out my freezer suit. Working a warehouse freezer. It's a nice big slip joint. That's pretty nice. Let's check it out. It's nice long thin blade here. There's the other blade. Very cool. Definitely get some use out of that. What else we got? Elk Ridge. Another cool slip joint. Very nice. I like these slip joints. Kind of remind me of my childhood. This is what most of the men were carrying. Maybe some of the ladies too. Very cool. And we have a Benchmade 551 S30V Griptilian. Uh-oh. It's in my pocket. I've been carrying this guy. Pretty good knife. Haven't handled a Griptilian before. Really happy to have one now. Nice big grip on it. I really like this thing. It's good. Do all this flippy stuff with it. Wah, wah, wah. Wah. Very cool. Let's see if it's sharp. Got some pre-sliced paper here. Uh-oh. Stuff's kind of thick. Oh yeah, there we go. It's sharp. Cuts the paper. Woo. If I give it a little strap, it'd be even better. Yeah, this is a great feeling knife. Really like this Griptilian. So, thanks Big Red. Check out BigRedEDC. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. Have a great day.